Hey guys, so last week I shot the new releases and sneak peeks video a little bit early because I was going away. So now I'm going to be kind of playing catch up, so let's just get straight into it. So Mac and Patricia Bright and Jamie Genevieve have brought out their own lipsticks together, and these are kind of like the perfect nudes for both of their skin tones. I actually really like them. I really do. I will say that these aren't very unique, but when it comes to nudes, I feel like we've kind of seen them all anyway. But I like that they've chosen a white girl and a black girl, and they've done like the perfect nudes for both, so that kind of like nobody's left out. Melt have brought out their role play collection. There's 5 matte lipsticks in this collection. I don't know if you can get these separately or if you have to buy them in the pack of 5, but my favorite is that pink one, which is swatched on the arm with the lipstick in front. That lovely pink one, that is so pretty, and if I had to get one of them, that would be the one that I get. Nikkie Tutorials and Ofra have brought out 2 highlighters, one called Space Baby, the other one's called Cloud 9. The Space Baby one is like a holographic blue, and the Cloud 9 is like a pink. I like the way that they look, I won't even deny it, I really do. But I just don't feel like these are unique either. But either way, congratulations to Nikkie Tutorials on her new collab with Ofra. Like how many times has she collabed with Ofra? This isn't like the first time, this is the 3rd time. Wow. Morphe have just brought out their brow collection, and it has micro brow pencil, brow creams and setting gels. I feel like these will be really affordable, especially for those who like the dip brow pomades and whatnot from Anastasia and stuff. Glam Glow have brought out their Star Potion, which is a liquid charcoal clarifying oil. So this is more like a skincare thing. I mean, I understand that the face masks is also skincare, but I guess this is more like skincare. But I don't really find this appealing, to be fair. I don't know, just putting this black liquid on my face, I'm not 100% sure. NARS have introduced their Holidays 2018 collection, and they have one palette which looks to be like a highlight palette. I really like the way that this highlight palette looks. Like the front cover is really nice, and all that asymmetrical shaping is actually 3D, so it's not flat, it's not a print, it's actually 3D. They have a lipstick which looks to be black. Is it that it looks black but it's just a really dark berry kind of tone? I'm not 100% sure. I'd love to see it swatched. Pat McGrath has shown us the Mothership 5 palette. I don't feel that this is unique, special, new. There's so many palettes that kind of look like this. Like we've seen 1,000,001 palettes that look this way. BH Cosmetics have brought out their glitter collection. They're $7 each. I have loads of glitters, so I don't need any more glitters, and I most definitely didn't pay $7 for them. And I mean, BH are known to be affordable, so for me, $7 for a pot of glitter, I feel like that's steep. Personally, I feel like that is steep. Colourpop and Carucci are doing it again. They've got a palette which looks like every other palette. They've got lipsticks, and I'm not too sure what's in those 2 jars. Are they gel liners? Are they also eyeshadows? Are they glitters? Are they, like, what are they? Who knows? We'll just have to wait and see. The Balm have brought out 2 palettes, the Alternative Rock palette Volume 1 and Volume 2. Again, this is just nothing special, nothing unique. We've seen this stuff 1,000,001 times before. These look like, even though anyone can get these, it does look like one was probably made for deeper skin tones and the other one was probably made for lighter skin tones, because it looks like those 3 bottom shades at the bottom of each of those palettes, they're kind of like the lighter and the deeper version of each other. Anywho, Sugarpill and Trixie Mattel are bringing out their palette. It looks like it has eyeshadows and a blush, and there's also a liquid lipstick. I like the color of the lipstick, but the palette is not doing anything for me. And Nude Sticks have brought out their On The Go set. and it says that it includes a 6-piece full-size pencil palette. I like the swatches. Are these pencils like multifunctional? Like you can use them for a myriad of different things? Probably, I'm not too sure. And I do like the bag. I wouldn't necessarily use that bag, but I like that it's different. Also, MAC are bringing out their Sculpt and Shape contour palettes. These remind me of the Anastasia pressed powder contour palettes. Remember they had the cream ones and the powder ones? That is what these look like straight away. And both of these palettes look very grey, like the actual contour shades. I know that they've got one for light medium and medium dark / dark, and all of the contour shades, as per the swatches on the fingers, they look very grey. And I like really grey tone contour. I feel like that it suits my skin, but there are some people that greyish tones don't suit because their undertones just do not suit grey tones. They more so suit warmer tones. So I'm not 100% sold on this. They may need to bring out another palette so that they can fit other people, but let's just see how that works out. Chanel Beauty are bringing up a makeup line for men with foundation, which will be available in 4 shades, a matte lip balm, and is that eyebrow? Like personally, I don't really understand why they felt the need to do this. I understand that there is like more men in makeup, but this kind of looks to me like guys who don't do makeup the way we do, like just wanting to just tweak their skin and just want to look a little bit more flawless. You know what I'm saying? Not necessarily meaning like full glam. So when they're saying foundation, is it foundation or is it a tinted moisturizer? Because there is most definitely a difference between a foundation and a tinted moisturizer. So, but from the swatches there, that looks like a foundation. I'm not completely grasping it, but at the end of the day, I'm not the target audience for it, so it doesn't really matter. Lancome have come out with their La Rose Parisienne powder. Do you remember that rose highlighter that they had before? They had like a pink one, and now they're coming out with like a goldeny kind of color one, and this one's limited edition. I feel like this was just so gimmicky, and this is still such a gimmicky product. It's just a gimmick to me, I'm so sorry. Patrick Star and MAC have come out with their, what number is this? I know that they said they were coming out with like 3 or 4 or 4 or 5, between 3 and 5 rounds, but this is starting to get really boring. To me, it's starting to get really boring that they've brought out collection after collection after collection after collection together. I kind of feel like maybe they should have just had like one major collection at the beginning of the year and one major collection at the bottom of the year, so that in between we're not bombarded with more collections, because now it just seems boring to me. Like, oh, Patrick Star and MAC again, Patrick Star and MAC again. You know what I mean? It's like it's lost the shock value. I think that they should have just brought out 2 collections. If they were going to bring out more than one, just do 2. One big one at the beginning, one big one at the end. You know, that way there would have been still like that suspense in the center in the middle of the year. But that's just my thought. The actual makeup itself, it's nothing special. I'm sorry, babe, it's nothing special. Kat Von D and her waterproof liquid eyeliner. Did we see this before? I don't remember, but this one's called the Dagger. And the brush tip is at like a 30-degree edge angle, so that you can really get that. A brush collection from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. This is their 5th collab together, and this comes hot off the heels of the Vault collection launching. So it's like literally as soon as the Vault collection launched, I feel like I think it was like a couple of days after they revealed this, and it's like you should have just launched it all together, or you should have waited a couple of months before doing the brushes, because people would have made the purchase for the Vault collection and then would have had to come back to the site to make the purchase for the brushes. And it's kind of like, why not just do it all together, or just give it a while before even launching? Oh, I don't know, but I love this imagery, the brush crown. I like that, I really do. Versace have brought out their Skin Tune Blur. NYX Cosmetics are bringing out their Holiday 2018 collection, the Sugar Trip, which looks like it has a eyeshadow palette. There's an eyeshadow palette. Do you know what that eyeshadow palette looks like? It reminds me of the color arrangement for the Anastasia lip palette. Do you remember she came out with like a whole lip palette, lipstick palette, and it had similar colors to these, even though yes, there was more shades. Straight away, that color arrangement just reminds me of that. Looks like there are highlighters, brushes, liquid lipsticks, regular lipsticks, lip pencils. There's a lot of stuff. This looks cute, but I need to see a better picture of everything out in the open, because it just kind of feels like loads of just loads of pictures thrown together. I can't see the impact of the collection itself. And Tati is bringing out the Halo Kiwi glowing skin tablet with Halo Beauty, because Halo Beauty is her brand. Now, after the backlash of the pink pills, which was like hair, skin and nails, after the backlash of that, because everyone thought that she was going to bring out like makeup, and she brought out like a pill supplement, whatever, I thought that she would have learned and not done this. But maybe the sales after everything died down, maybe the sales have proven that it is a good product and that she should go ahead and make another one. Maybe she was able to win over people. I'm not too sure, but I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. I won't be. But what I do know is that I won't be buying it. I do know that for a fact. I know that she didn't sit there in a room and just say, let's put this and this and this and this. I know she's not doing that. But it's just kind of like, no, I'm not down for it. Anyway, so those are all of the new releases and sneak peeks. Is there anything on this list that you're going to be getting? For me, I'm not looking to really get anything. I'm interested in seeing, what am I interested in seeing? I'm interested in seeing other people try the Ofra Nikki tutorials things. But apart from that, that's just it. That's basically it, yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.